About the Bible. God's people left Egypt. They marched both day and night. He led them with a cloud by day, a fire that shone so bright. But Pharaoh changed his mind. He chased them with his men. The people saw the army come and felt afraid again. Before them was the Red Sea. Behind them soldiers came. They cried to God in worry, but Moses said, "Be brave." Moses raised his staff. God's power filled the air. The water split into great walls. A path appeared right there. The people walked through safely on dry and open ground. The sea stood still like giant walls, with not a splash or sound. But when the army followed, God made the waters fall. The sea returned and covered them. God saved his people all. Then Israel sang with joy, their voices loud and free. God rescued with mighty love and parted the Red Sea. Amen.